There's the land. I'm Corey.
I'm Jillian.
And we're Living in Diz. Today we're going to take you into the land building and show you everything that is offered in the land building.
Rides, food, everything.
More food than I ever thought until I looked into it. So if you like what you see, please like, subscribe.
Turn on the notification bell and comment for future video suggestions.
And please share with all your friends on Facebook because it'll go on and on and on and on. And it means a lot to us. Now, let's get to the land. Let's go! Oh, hello. This is everything that the land has to offer, and you can see it on a sign right in front when you first walk in. Soren, Living with the Land, Behind the Seeds tour,
And me.
and her meet and greets with Jill, 12 to 5 Saturdays. Garden grill, sunshine seasons, and restrooms. This is overlooking the balcony. You can see Living with the Land, Soren. Over there, just below us, is Seasons with a bunch of different food options, and we'll show those. You've got some beautiful balloon decorations with the earth in the middle, and Garden Grill, one of the best restaurants on all of Disney property. It's the middle of the day, and I've survived it so far with my tween.
And I'm tired.
Aren't tweens always tired?
No.
That's where they used to have the Timon and Pumbaa show about the environment.
The circle of life.
The Circle of Life. Circle of Life has been gone for quite some time now, and to my knowledge, there's no known plans to replace that with anything right now. So, Circle of Life is Circle of Dead.
Like Mufasa, you will be missed. Here we are at Sunshine Seasons. These are all the food options that you can choose from.
Tell me about them.
Kids meal, kids chicken wrap, kids pasta with marinara and meatball, kids salmon, kids smuckles and custard.
And from the grill, oak-fired rotisserie chicken, salmon and grits, slow-roasted pork, sweet treats, soup and salad. We have tuna poke salad, power salad with quinoa and almonds, Caesar salad, chef's daily soup selection.
For Asian noodles, we got ginger Mongolian beef with one side, Asian shrimp stir fry, sorry I cannot speak today, vegan kurma with rice, and kids Mongolian beef.
Sandwiches include cheese pizza, rotisserie chicken breast, turkey breast, club sandwich, barbecued pork, and scrumptious desserts. From the bakery, scrumptious desserts, I think they can mix and match. It's not always the same things. They do mix and match some out of there. So there's your freshly made cakes and pies. Yep, sweet treats. And that's proving my point that it does change. And some espresso and iced coffee.
For breakfast, we have adult breakfast platter, breakfast souffle, breakfast croissant sandwich, and kids breakfast platter.
So one thing is, I didn't realize that they served basically all day and night. I didn't know that they served breakfast.
I didn't know that.
And that the menu looked that good, because it looks good, doesn't it?
It really does.
So, probably can't show you the meals, but I'm going to see if we can possibly get close enough to show you some desserts if they're available. I know at night they are. We'll go check. There's a lot of magic happening in that bar right there. That is good stuff. Can't go wrong with an M&M cookie. But what's different here? What's different? Let's see what's different. We've got the Oreo chocolate mousse.
Cheesecake.
The whoopie pie, the Mickey whoopie pie. Look at this Mickey Oreo cheesecake. Can't go wrong with a turtle brownie. Look at this key lime tart. That's pretty neat. Rose gold cupcake. Cha-ching. I'd like to try that. We'll have to review that sometime. Yeah. And we've seen this before in a previous video where we reviewed this. And those are edible flowers, and they are good. Fruity and flavorful. We'll put that link up the top.
Sour.
So you can watch that video and see that review. Lastly, look at that bell cupcake. My favorite princess. Here are some of your drink options. Coffee, tea and milk, no, coffee and soda, and all your areas designated for Asian noodles, sandwiches, soups and salads, and so on. And you just pay here. So I would definitely try Seasons. If you have early tickets, you're coming early here to Epcot, dip in here for breakfast and then hit the rides. I think that could be a good plan.
And there's two right in the building, so you can just hit that right away.
Exactly. I'd get a Soarin' Fast Pass if you wanted to make that one of your priorities. And you can come right over, ride that right after breakfast, and hit the land, and you're on your day. There are TVs up there for trivia if you want to play in line. Now that coincides with the new Disney Play app, which you can get in your Google or your Google Play Store or your Apple Store and play along. But what I found is it's not worth playing unless you're far back enough back here to start the game, because once you turn the corner up ahead, you cannot see the screens and you can't see the questions. I just want to thank my baby girl for coming out with me today.
Baby girl.
We're cutting some videos today. We're cutting videos together. Daddy, daughter.
Look at those aesthetic looking blue lines. Like, ooh.
It is aesthetically pleasing.
How do you guys put up with me?
We have to. Let's play a little trivia game. Are we going to be concourse A, C, or B? A, C, or B? I'm feeling C.
Apparently, neither of us were right. We're going into concourse B. He guessed C, I guessed A.
We had a 33.33 chance to be successful, and neither of us were. Did you guess right? Let us know in the comments. We just discovered that Jill is still so short that we can't see it. We can't see it.
Speak louder.
We just discovered that Jill is so short that when you sit on Soarin', there are markers here, right there, that mark your height. And when you're higher than that, you don't need the center strap.
But I need the center strap, because look at me.
She's too short. A little tough to see, but trust us. Right there. You know the transition where you transition to Paris and you're in front of the Eiffel Tower? It's all lit up and beautiful. I'm pretty sure I heard a kid yell out, "Vegas!"
No way.
Pretty sure. Apparently he's been to Vegas, or his parents have been to Vegas.
Oh Lord.
Maybe one too many times. You have the Garden Grill restaurant hosted by Smuckers. What's your review of the Garden Grill?
I haven't eaten here in a few years, so I don't really remember much of it, other than it's some of the best food I've ever had.
I definitely agree. It's one of my favorites. At some point, we got to get back there. It's all family style, so big plates come out, with lots of food, and everybody takes them and puts it on their plate. And when that's gone, you can have more, or you can go on to dessert, or whatever else is on the menu. Let's go take a look and see what's on the menu. Welcome to Chippendale's Harvest Fest. You've got the Garden Grill invites you to Chippendale's Harvest Feast. All you care to enjoy. This does feature produce grown in our living with the land greenhouses. So you've got breakfast times, and this is what's for breakfast. And here's what's for dinner. This is what we had. We had the garden salad, the braised pot roast, the turkey's phenomenal, the carved pork with apple chutney, veggies, mac and cheese, fries. You can't beat it. You can't beat it. This is our number one pick in Epcot, hands down, for families. That's our overview of the land, everything it has to offer, and who knows what will take the space of Timon and Pumbaa's
Circle of Life.
I haven't heard anything, but if we hear something, we'll let you know. And in the meantime, hope you enjoy the land and all it has to offer through the eyes of our family. I'm Corey.
I'm Jillian.
We're living in Diz.